Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Little Bear Lodge. Now, I'm going to try and do a quick video tutorial on utilizing this jetted tub up here in the master bedroom. This does come equipped with a remote control, as well as a set of instructions. Now, going through this is actually going to be a little bit daunting initially, because it is not what I would call just a straight push and play, but there's a lot of options. So there's also a remote that's right here on the wall. The instructions are provided, and that we request that you go through it and take a look at how to utilize it. And so you've got your on-off button, you've got your heat, and so you can see the different bits of information as you cycle through it, the intensity up or down, and then the chromotherapy. You can push this button once, it'll turn it on. Press it a second time to select the color, third time turn it off. So chromotherapy, I'm assuming, has something to do with the light. And then drying cycle, after using the bath without jet system, press this button once to activate the drying cycle. And then after a hydrothermal massage session, press it once to turn the drying cycle on immediately. So press for 2 seconds to activate or deactivate the programming drying cycle. So there's a lot of different options that you can utilize in here. And then you've got customized programming, which we don't recommend that you kind of start monkeying with. It is a fantastic tub. We hope you enjoy it and that you won't have any issues or complications, and that you'll just step in, have a fantastic, relaxing time. But if you have any further questions, you can call us in the office. It's 208-634-0030. Cheers, and I hope you're having a great time while you're here at the Little Bear Lodge.